Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat on phone. So if you want to use Google Chat, you first need to open your Gmail account or Gmail apps on your phone and then enable the Google Chat first. Click on the three lines icon at the top and go to settings. Choose the email account, select the email account, scroll down until you find this general section, and here you need to enable this to show the chat tab. Click on that and Gmail will be restarting. So here the chat or Google Chat tab will be shown at the bottom. Click on that. And to start using the Google Chat, you just need to find the person that you want to chat with. For example, click on the plus icon and here find the email's name or type in the emails, the person's name in here. Oops. Okay, so for example, like this. Now click on the email found and click on done. Now we can just start chatting with the person. Hi, how are you, for example. Okay, click on send and that's it. You can start use the Google Chat from now on. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.